So I'm working on this electric tug you'll see behind me. More specifically, I'm changing the universal joints for the drive shaft. So for the universal joint, in this case, because we're overhauling it, I'm taking these joints out specifically, taking the measurements so we can order the proper ones and make sure that they're what they need to be. 99% of it we touch specifically ourselves. We'll take it all the way apart, function check it to make sure, see what's broken, what's not working, see if anything's leaking, take note of that, order parts, replace seals, replace anything that's broken or repair anything that's broken. Once that's all done, we'll put it all back together and check it again to make sure everything's good. What's next after this is that I will come over here and replace the same things on this side. Once that's done, inside the axle itself, I'll open that up and change the seals in there. And then once the seals are done in that, then I'll just move on to the next big thing, which will be the electric drive motor. I'll change the brushes in that and make sure that's clean and nice. That way it operates as it should.